Some people say wheezing, some people say whistling. Actually, all these things denote some sound produced in the chest. Actually, it is due to the constriction of the bronchial tubes or airway tubes that transport the oxygen from the atmosphere to the lungs. Generally, wheezing is caused by the viral infections in children, but even exposure to dust and other things also can produce. Mild viral infections can produce a mild wheeze associated with a cough that can be settled with bronchodilators. But severe wheezing will compromise the oxygen flow, thereby reduces the oxygen status in the blood that need immediate medical attention. But any child who develop frequent wheezing, you have to consult a doctor for proper evaluation and long-term management, and also you have to rule out asthma and other associated diseases.